Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's me, Muhammad Zubair Khan. It's a second lecture of the second week of Mathematics 1 for BCS students. So, we were discussing in previous class the mathematical operations on fractions, and we had discussed the two operations: how to multiply the fractions, how to divide the fractions. And before the multiplication and division of fractions, we had already discussed that how to simplify the fractions. Now, the two remaining mathematical operations, these are addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. Addition of fractions means how to add the fraction ki jama chirakam mesha gardu ya se kasar basha. So we have two cases. We are facing two cases. In case first, if we have the same denominators. In case second, if we have the different denominators. In these particular conditions, how we can do the addition? Look at the addition and subtraction of simple numbers, simple real numbers is easy to add or subtract, but it is not easy. It is a very much technical to handle when you have the fraction forms to add or subtract. Now, if you see here, in case if we have two fractions a over b and c over b, we have the same denominators. So if we add them, so we will take one of them, one of these two b's, we will take as a LCM, any least common multiple, yeah, you can call it makhraj mushtarak, and then we will add the numerators a plus c. For example, in case if we have 1 over 2 plus 5 by suppose 2, like this. So what we have to do, we will take 2 as an LCM, makhraj mushtarak, and then we will add the both surat. 1 plus 5, so it will become 1 plus 5, or you can say 6 divided by 2. You can simplify it also. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, so it will become 3 by 1, or simply you can write 3. It means if you add these two fractions, so it's giving us a result that is 3 or 3 by 1. So this is the way that how you can add the fractions in case if you have the same denominator. The second case that we are facing, if we have the different denominators, then we will take the LCM. How? We will multiply both the denominators, and that will be considered the LCM of both the fractions. And then divide the denominator by the LCM by the first denominator, and then multiply with a. After that, divide the second like this. Let me do it practically. How? Look at. Multiply these two. So b multiplied by d, it will become bd. Then bd divided by b, so b and b will cancel. What will remain? D. D multiplied by a, so it will become ad. Plus, again, bd divided by d, so d and d cancel. What will remain? B. B multiplied by c, so it will become bc. This will be the answer. In case if we have in numbers, for example, 3 over 4 plus 1 over suppose 5. Now what we have to do first, we will multiply these two. 4 multiplied by 5, it will become 20. Now 20 divided by this denominator means 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. Plus 20 divided by 5, 4. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. So 15 plus 4, 19 divided by 20. This will be the answer. Now there isn't any chance to simplify. That's why leave it. It will be the final answer. So this is the way that how you can do the addition of fraction in both cases. The same procedure we will follow in subtraction. In case if we are subtracting the 2 or 3 fractions, so we will apply the same procedure. Like here, just only instead of addition, we will put the symbol of subtraction. Now, if you see, suppose here, in case of same denominator, if we take an example like 3 by 4 minus 1 over 4. Now, if you see, what we have to do, we will take one of them, one of these two denominators as an LCM, take, that will be 4, and subtract the numerator directly. 3 minus 1. Now 3 minus 1 equal to 2 divided by 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It will become 1 over 2. It means the subtraction of these two fractions giving us what? 1 over 2 after simplification also. Now the second case, in case if we have the different denominators, like here we have BD, so we will proceed like addition, but instead of addition we will have subtraction. For example, if we have 5 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Now if we are subtracting them, so we will take the LCM. LCM, how you will get? Just multiply them. 2 multiplied by 3, so it will become how much? 6. Then 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. Minus 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. Then do subtraction. 10 minus 3, 7. Divided by 6. So this will be the final answer. There is no chance to simplify. That's why we cannot do simplification. This will be the final answer. So this is the way that you can do subtraction of fraction. This is the way that you can do addition of fraction. In case if we have a mixed number to add or subtract, so no need to worry about that, because mixed number also convertible into a simple fraction. For example, if we have 1 into 1 over 2 plus 3 into 4 over 5, like this. So how we can do the addition? So first convert, as I told you in the previous class, that you can convert the mixed numbers into a simple fraction form. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. So it will become 3 by 2. First you will convert the mixed number into fraction form. Then plus 5 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. 15 plus 4, so it will become 19. And divided by what? 5. Now take the LCM. We have different denominators. So if we take the LCM, या मखराज मुश्तरक चीज़ कम में multiply को 2 ज़रब 5 चंद में शायद दाल. So 10 multiplied 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 multiplied by 3, so it will become 15. And then 10 divided by 5, 2. 2 multiplied by 19, so it will become 38. Now 38 plus 15, it will become 53 divided by 10. This will be the final answer. You can apply the mixed number, you can do the addition of mixed number like this, you can do the subtraction of mixed numbers like this. So no need to worry if you have the mixed numbers. For practice, I will give you some assignment, okay? And you have to do the assignment in this particular week. And at the end of the week, you have to submit the assignment. Send it to me through my email ID, which is given already with the assignment, okay? So by this way, you can apply the mathematical operations on fraction. Inshallah, in next week, we will go onward towards the different topics which are remaining in mathematics 1 for BCS students. Thank you very much, students. Allah Hafiz.